You need great lighting to make your content shine, but it also can't get in your way. That's where the SmallRig RC60B COB light comes in. Simple, portable, and cord-free. With a built-in battery lasting 45 minutes at full power and 75 in eco mode.
Hey guys, I've got something special for you today. Here we go.
With the flexibility to put it anywhere. The lamp body's only 1.43 pounds.
Alright, first try.
It's easy to operate with one hand, so set it up any way you want.
Oh, that's it. Alright, give me still, but dynamic.
With CRI 97 Plus and TLCI 98 Plus, it renders accurate colors. For extra power, the USB-C port allows you to shoot all night. Lighten the workload. Get more shots.
Strong aroma, really low acid, and a fruity accent. This is the perfect morning cup.
Let's redefine what it means to steal a shot. The SmallRig softbox and Pro battery will give you silky smooth light all night long.
Watch me go, never slow, make 'em whoa. Watch me
And by the way, we shot this whole commercial on the SmallRig RC60B. The SmallRig RC60B COB light. Stay flexible, stay light.